Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to align two picture in Photopea software. So let's started. At first open your Photopea software. Now you can see align two picture in Photopea. Now go into the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now we find your picture. Now select from two picture. Now you select from two picture. Now click for open option. Now waiting for now you can see we open the two picture in Photopea software. Now resize your picture. Now resize your picture in Photopea software. Then we can see now select from two picture and going to the layer option. Now select from two layer. Now we going to the alignment option. Now select from align left and select from align horizontally and select from align top bits. That is. Now you can see align two picture in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.